How to fix battery drain issue on the latest One UI 7 devices. Several Samsung devices facing the battery draining issue after the One UI 7 update, like Samsung S24 Ultra, S23 Ultra, S23 FE. So in this video, I will show you the 4 solution to apply it to improve the battery life of your Samsung One UI 7 devices. So first of all, make sure turn on the adaptive battery feature on your device. To enable it, open the app drawer on your Samsung device. Tap the settings app, scroll down until the battery, tap on a battery, tap on a background usage limits. Now tap the three dots at the top right corner, tap on adaptive battery. Make sure to toggle on this option that will extend the battery life on your phone usage. So make sure turn on the adaptive battery on your One UI 7 device. Second feature is the set performance profile as the on your device. To set the performance profile of your device, go to settings, scroll down up to the device care, tap on a device care. Now scroll down. Here you can find the performance profile. Tap on it. By default set the standard. So here you select the light option that will prioritize battery life and cooling the efficiency over processing speed on your Samsung device you usage. So make sure select the light option in the performance profile. That will also helpful to improve the battery life on your device. Next feature is the auto restart when your phone needed. You can use this feature to fix your battery drain issue. Also you can use this feature to face if your Samsung device facing the any slowdown phone issue, app crashing facing issue. So make sure auto restart enable on your device. To enable it, go to settings on your device, scroll down up to device care, tap on a device care. Now scroll down again. Here you can see the auto optimization option, tap on it. Now scroll at the end, you can see the auto restart option, tap on it. Now here you can see your phone will only restart when the screen is off, the phone isn't being used, the battery is about 30% and SIM card lock is off. So you need to unlock your phone, restart when needed, restart on schedule. So make sure to toggle on this option, restart when needed. This option make sure to toggle on. Your phone will restart automatically when performance issue are detected, like a battery drain issue, slow down your phone. So it will automatically restart your phone. That will helpful to stop all necessary background issue, all background application that will helpful to increase the battery life of your Samsung devices. Also you can see the last option and most useful, you need to wipe the cache partition on your Samsung device using the recovery mode setting. To enter your Samsung device into the recovery mode, first of all make sure your Samsung device connect with a USB to C cable or C to C cable on your device. So here we connect my phone with the cable. When you can see the charging icon, just restart your device by long press the side key. Now tap on a restart, tap again restart. Now when you turn off your device, long press the volume up and power at the same time. When the Samsung logo appears, just release the power button only. Now release the power button only and press the volume up until you can see the recovery menu. Now you can see the recovery menu available on your Samsung device. Now use the volume up and down button. Here you can only use the power button and volume up button or down button. You can't use the touch screen on your device. Now press the volume down button until select the wipe cache partition. Make sure select the wipe cache partition, not select the wipe data factory reset. Otherwise it will reset on your Samsung device. So select the wipe cache partition on your Samsung device. Now press the power button. Now here you can see select the no option. So press the volume down button. That select the yes. Wipe cache, this cannot be undone. It will not remove your data. It will only remove the unnecessary data from your Samsung device. So after select the yes, press the power button. That will wipe the cache data on your device. After complete the process, it will automatically set the reboot system now. So now after the wipe cache partition, you can see reboot system now option. So now press the power button to reboot your system, reboot your Samsung device. You can see reboot your Samsung device, and this is the all for solution you must apply to fix the battery drain issue on your Samsung One UI 7 and any other Samsung device. So which is your favorite method? Or if you have know any other solution, please comment in the below box. That's it. If you like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe.